Tips for buying wood furniture. When shopping for wooden furniture pieces that will last a lifetime, it's important to understand exactly how pieces are made and how to care for them prior to your purchase. Furniture craftsmen have used wood for thousands of years. It's strong yet easy to cut, carve, join, finish, and refinish. Caring for is relatively simple, and when pieces are well made and maintained, they improve with age. Wood is also an environmentally friendly, renewable resource because it was once part of a living organism. Wood has a warmth and appeal. Hardwoods come from deciduous trees such as oak, walnut, birch, maple, mahogany, and cherry. Those woods have tight grains that make them stronger, denser, and better choice for carving and detailing. Carving dresser by Solutions, Softwoods from corn bearing trees or conifers include pine, cedar, cypress, spruce, fir, and redwood. The grain of softwood is more open in appearance. Softwood prices are typically less expensive. A fair number of terms are used to describe wooden furniture. Understand that they will help you when you are shopping. The term all-wood construction means that the visible parts of the pieces are made of wood. Combination indicates that more than one type of wood makes up the piece's exposed parts.